Still having a good afternoon at the Brewers trade event up in Mansfield. Now I'm over at the Axalta. Oh, do you know what? I'm going to swivel the camera around and it can be said actually correctly by Matt. Nice to meet you, Matt. Tell us all about your company and what it's all about.
So Axalta is an American coating company, primarily grown up around the refinish market. It does have a big part in thermoplastics, powder coatings, but also within the general industrial liquid side of things as well. So that's the main bit that we do from here through Brewers. So we look at things like floor coatings, we have coatings for cladding, we have coatings for modular buildings. So a lot of things into the buildings. So, you know, if you're doing a flooring system, you have everything from your salt-based, water-based to resin-based systems. You've got your line marking system then that goes with it to kind of complete that project side of things as well. You then go into the cladding sector. So you look up, you know, obviously a lot of the industrial warehouses that are built these days. The initial side of things will be powder coat as it comes out, but the maintenance sector then go into a liquid basis. So you've got anything from single pack system, 2-pack system, again water-based, salt-based that's in there. So you've got modified vinyls, you've got, you know, different types of products that will do different substrates. But, you know, aims to kind of give you the longevity and the protection and the colour that you're after from there. We've also got, I'd say, a big part within modular. So you see a lot of modular containers that go into building sites and things like that. We do all the systems again that kind of coat those from either from brand new or through that refurbishment market as well. So again, looking at colour, looking at finish, looking at, you know, application method, are you spraying, are you rolling, what it is you want to do. We kind of have a product that sits within that portfolio.
Being environmentally friendly, do you cover all the right VOCs for stuff, or are we going on to industrial stuff that might be a little bit pungent to the ordinary decorator to use?
It depends on what you go for. You know, dealing with all parts of the kind of industrial industry to kind of that. You know, when you go into steel fabrication, you've got to be very careful around VOC, especially kind of how much they can use over the year and things like that. So again, we have products that are manufactured to be kind to the environment in that way of low levels of VOC for higher quantities going through. But you've also got, yes, you have those products that still contain that level, but there is still demand for them and they still work. So, you know, there's still that mix there. The industry as a whole is moving because that's the way the market is kind of wanting us to go. And that's where the customers kind of driving as well. You know, they kind of want that a little bit cleaner, water-based in some occasions. They kind of want to move that product. So it's still there, but it is moving. It's, you know, it is a market that is moving with the times as well. So.
And this product's all available through Brewers?
Yes, any of these products are available through Brewers. You have a big listing of mainly the kind of ones that will cross over. So, you know, the ones that you can get away with, an industrial product that can be used on more of a trade decorator. So you have that transferable. But if somebody gets a project that's a little less, you know, out of the ordinary type thing, yeah, they can still ask the question, they can still have access to it, and they can still put that through.
And get the specialist, instead of just using a one can for all, you've got actually specialist products and paints for that application that they're going to be requiring.
You've got that, and then you've got the technical team as well. So with the back of this, we have a technical team that, again, depending on your project, we will come out and we'll kind of specify the system for you as well to kind of give you the best using products that, again, like I say, they might not be worded in a way of that's for that, as, you know, from a marketing perspective, but it's about the environment that you're in, the product that you're in, the make, what the product needs to do, things like that. So
it's product knowledge and somebody knows
it is
help.
Yes,
what it's all to do with help. That's great, Matt. Thank you very much for that. Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.